This is Barnabas TV, where you're live at Mega City Place, where we are having the awesome stores in Nigeria 2019. How you just stay calm as we give you the update of the event. Thank you very much.
Is 90 the coolest producer?
Yes, this night is still a night of light, camera, and the beautiful actions at Miss Tourism Nigeria 2019. As you can see, I have one of the biggest Nollywood veteran actor, producer. Oh, he's not just a movie actor, he's a great man in the Nollywood industry. Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Yeah, my name is Hafiz Abiodun Sirikolopola. I'm a movie actor, movie producer, and at the same time, I'm a movie director. 3 in 1, you know?
3 in 1. So, sir, what can you say about this night, Miss Tourism Nigeria 2019?
Yeah, we are not seeing anything yet, and I believe it's going to be a very, very loud one. It's going to be fantastic. We are going to enjoy ourselves tonight, I'm sure of that.
Hello, beautiful lady.
Hello.
I must confess, you look very beautiful.
Thank you.
I can see you are one of the awesome contestants for Miss Tourism Nigeria 2019.
Ogun.
Miss Ogun. Alright, so sorry, what's your name?
I'm Esther, Jola Osho Esther.
Jola Osho Esther. So what can you say about Miss Tourism Nigeria 2019?
Wow, it's a beautiful platform, a platform to learn. Like, it's been a really great deal for me. Like, it's been an awesome 2 weeks. I learned a lot. Yes, I did.
2019. Hello, beautiful lady.
Hello.
So what's your name, please?
My name is Aisha Esebonu.
So what can you say about this night event?
Okay, I hope to see the best, and the contestants should do all their best. Yes.
So is there anyone you are rooting for?
I'm here for everybody.
Hello, pretty, beautiful young lady.
Hello, good evening.
So for the sake of the viewers watching you on Olamo TV, can you just please introduce yourself?
My name is Selina Ide, and I am Miss International Nigeria 2018/19.
So what can you say about this event, Miss Tourism Nigeria 2019?
Miss Tourism Nigeria 2018 was great, amazing. It was on point too. I am expecting nothing short of amazing.
Hello, Mr. Hassan.
Hi, how you doing?
Yeah, so what can you say about this wonderful event?
Well, this is Q Concept, this is Miss Tourism, and I expect nothing but a mind-blowing event, you know.
So this is Miss Tourism 2019. So what can you say about this wonderful event?
Well, the first wonderful thing I'll say is that me and my brother are actually partners for this event. So we're definitely looking forward to today and to see what the event has to offer.
So it's actually a brilliant idea to have brought this together. I mean, and I say going places because tourism is a big deal, you know, and it's something very lucrative, and I see light in it because I believe a lot of people want to visit Nigeria, and this will help, you know, put more light on places that people can visit.
I can't wait to see the beautiful contestants, and then so that's it's my first time, but I believe it's going to be amazing.
Sound round of applause, Santiago Roberts.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Santiago Roberts. Like I always say, I hope that you were not expecting a very 6-foot tall young man. Anyway, first and foremost, I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who took our time to join us tonight for the 8th season of this prestigious pageant. I'm very excited. This year, first and foremost, we decided that we're going to switch up things, do things a little bit different. First and foremost, you would agree that our choice of venue is not the one that you're used to. I'm sure that when we chose this venue, I was a bit anxious. I wasn't sure that if people would respond to coming all this way for Miss Tourism Nigeria, but I'm excited that all of you came all this way. It shows that you believe in what we're doing. Please give yourself a round of applause. And of course, I also want to say a very big thank you to all our sponsors tonight. Without you, tonight would definitely not have been possible. I'm going to, of course, personally recognize all of you as the show progresses. But I want to say, please, as the girls come out, please try and encourage them, cheer them up, scream, clap for them, whatever it is you can do to support them. It's been a long journey, and tonight we are going to be crowning our 8th queen. I wish you all the best and have a very good evening. Thank you.
Lagos to Germany, media personally, nobody passing.
Miss Tourism Adamawa.
Or you go down. My friend.
Before I make any announcement, I would like to welcome a representative of Good Fragrance to present some special gift packs to the top 5. A representative from Good Fragrance. Please put your hands together for Joe. Top 6, my apologies. And of course, I've also been told that Mr. Tourism Nigeria will get a 1-year contract with Good Fragrance. And of course, Miss Glam Nigeria will also get a 6-month contract. Mr. Tourism Nigeria 2019
I am the new Miss Tourism for 2019. Keep watching.
All I'm on TV is the best. Keep watching it. Thank you.